Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to make the talking animation, bruh, like that, only using one picture. How is that possible? So stay tuned and let's get into the tutorial. So the first step you can do is install this Revive application. Then you can install it from the Play Store and also from the App Store if you are the user of the iPhone or iOS. And usually for the new user, or if you do not purchase the package, then they will offer you this package like this for the lifetime and also weekly package, and so does the detail of the benefits. But if you don't want to buy this purchase or purchase this package, I'm sorry, so it is okay to skip this offering, but maybe there will be a lot of advertisement during the process editing. So if you're okay with that, then you can just skip it and kindly wait for the advertisement. And after that it will direct you into the home page like this. And since we would like to create the talking animation, bruh, so we can scroll down and I will choose the sound effect here, and I will click see all, and I will scroll down and I will choose the bruh version. There you go, this is the preview.
Bruh. Bruh.
So you can continue to choose this. And after that, it will direct you into this section or the field to choose the picture from the gallery. And if you would like to choose the picture or your favorite picture from your gallery that you want this picture saying the bruh word, it is okay to click it. And you can select your favorite picture here. But if you would like to try the picture that has been provided by this Revive, so you can choose this popular section. And for example, I will choose this. Let's say I will choose this picture. And let's revive. Kindly wait for the process. And finally, the result is ready, and let's watch, guys.
Bruh.
Bruh. Isn't that funny,
Bruh.
right? So you can start to download this animation by click this save, and you can also share this animation into your favorite social media. So that's all, guys. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe this channel, and also you can inform us or let us know if this application also work for you guys. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.